We are going to continue on our adventure with Frankenstein lures. Talked to Rich last night on his Instagram live, and he's wondering why I haven't posted any pictures of the fish that I catch on his lure. So we're going to focus on that today. I have a stick bait, I have his crawl on my Texas rig, and I have a swim jig with one of his kind of like floppy arm trailers on it. So we are just going to focus on catching some bass today and enjoy the day out here on the water. There we go. There's a nice little bass. Got him on a Frankenstein lure. That was awesome. Oh, missed that one. That guy barely got hooked. Frankenstein lure, baby. Let's get a good release on this guy. Off he goes. That was definitely a bite. Well, hopefully you guys caught that on camera. I don't know, my GoPro seems to be acting up a little bit, but Frankenstein lures catches chain pickerel, and a pretty decent sized one too. Oh, missed him. That was a bite. Oh, that felt like a little bluegill. Oh. But hook sets are free. So when I feel a bite, I'm gonna take it. There we go. Well guys, Frankenstein lures catch chain pickerel. Alright, well, we are going to make our way down to the other side. We'll see you guys there. We might stop along at these Couple lay downs on the way down through. Now I'm running it through its bed, so it thinks that I'm a predator eating its eggs. Where'd she go? I think I lost her. Oh, nope, there she is. Wow, this water is so clear. And she goes right back to that freaking bed. God damn, I gotta get myself set up again. I got her to nose down on the bait one time, but I must have pulled it off the bed too far. Gonna spook the shit out of her. Oh, not where I need to be. There we go. Oh no, missed him. Let's try that again. Alright, so that felt like a branch. Not quite like a fish. Not 100% sure. Just when the hook starts to pop out and makes it not weedless anymore, that's a problem, especially for where I'm fishing at. See if that gets hooked on a limb. I'm breaking off. Did you see that one? It's kind of cool, huh? I like seeing them blow up. It's kind of a cool feeling. But missing them is not a cool feeling. Oh, do you see that big toad going after it? What would you do if I caught a big old frog on this thing? A frog on a frog. Huh? I bet you I can make that happen. That was a big one. Ain't it a bitch when you can see him but can't catch him? Yeah, that looks like a bed right there. Huh? Looks like a bed there, but I don't see no fish on it. I think we found another bass bed. And of course we're gonna pitch it to the tree stumps and laydowns that we see. rock piles. Definitely need to keep our distance. You don't want to get too close, you'll spook the fish. Oh, there we go. Look, he's got a buddy with him. Get a good release on this guy. And there he goes. So this is a Frankenstein Lures fluke style bait. This is what I got that guy on. But we are definitely too close. This is the bait right here, Frankenstein Lures. I caught that bass. Now you guys couldn't see with that last bass, but he had a buddy with him. Just telling me that bass are schooling up. You know, are we in pre-spawn? This is a spot that we were at where there was a bunch of carp. Almost positive they were carp. And I think I see another one. But boy, does it really look like a carp. But what I'm trying to do is get up in that corner. Boy, it looks like a carp, guys. But I'm not sure if you guys can see that carp or not. Here, let me see if we can get my glasses. That thing is big. Oh. I don't have that carp bait, so we're just gonna move on.